And that's what we're doing in this segment. We're trying to figure out, the universe and us. How did we get here? Was it just by accident, or was there really intelligent cause behind it?
Okay, well, let's listen to some of the students' questions and comments.
Okay.
I think young people, especially in this generation, we are a very seeing is believing generation. That, if you watch YouTube and you see this video, this crazy video that, how did that ever happen? If you just hear about it, you may not necessarily believe it. But if you actually see it happening, you have a more tendency to believe it. And so I think for our generation, to try to comprehend something that we can't see is very difficult for us to do.
Well, what about the student's comment on seeing is believing? I mean, she mentioned being the YouTube generation, and we go there and we check it out to see if it's for real. How does that fit into this?
It's a valid comment, but at the same time, it has to have perspective, because there's lots of things we don't believe that we don't see, and that's valid. But there's lots of things that we do believe, given certain reasons or causes to believe it. Like the murder mystery we talked about. We didn't see the event happen, but we see the effect, and we kind of work back to see what the cause was. And that's what we're talking about here. We're looking at the effect of things to work backwards and see, is there enough evidence here to believe that there must have been a cause?
Okay.
Like for example, wind. We don't see the wind, but we see the effects of the wind.